Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to make this little baby bauble. In the last video I showed you how to make this easy Nordic bauble, and this mini bauble is even easier because the first and the second round is the same as the first and the second round of the big bubble, and the last round is the same as also the last round here. So this one weighs, the yarn only weighs 10 grams, so you will need less than 10 grams of yarn as well as less than 10 grams of toy stuffing to make this little one. And I'm using 5mm crochet hook and the same yarn, which is King Cole Price Wise DK in red and white. So first we're going to make the red this side, then this side, and as we make the last round we're going to join them together. Then as we make most of the round, stuff the bauble and close the gap, and the cap is the same, also the same pattern as for the big bauble, and the ribbon is, I think, about 8 inches long. So we're going to begin with the red, and make your magic ring or sliding loop, chain 3 and 15 double crochets into the ring, so you have 16 posts in total. So let's count the stitches. I have 16 stitches, and for this mini bubble there's no increasing, no 2 stitches into one in any round. You just have 16, 16 and 16, so the stitch count is the same for all 3 rounds. Now we're going to close the ring and insert the hook into the top of chain 3, and we're going to pull up the white color, so no need to break the yarn because nobody can see the back and it's easiest. And you're ready. You're just maybe going to quickly secure the tails. And round 2 is chain 2 and from post double crochet around the post directly below, which is chain 3 from last round, and then back post double crochet around the next post, and you're going to alternate between the 2 all the way around. So join with the slip stitch, skip the chain 2 but to the top of first front post double crochet, and just pull up the new color, and like before, so we're going to count the stitches, and this is 1, counts as 1. So this is our number 16. So I have 16. Now round 3. It's the last round, and even haven't made this much. This looks so cute. And round 3 is chain 3 and this is going to count as your first double crochet back loop only, and then you need to make double crochet back loop only into the next stitch. So we're skipping this one and making it into this one all the way around. I just need to make sure I have 16 stitches. Yes, and forgot to cut this in the way. We're just going to connect with a slip stitch at the top of chain 3 and fasten off. So you've made your first half, this little baby half, and secure your ends, and like before, the second half, follow the same steps, but start with the white and make first 2 rounds, and then I'll meet you there. So you made your little baby here, you've changed your color, and you chain 3, and now you remove the hook from the loop. Take your first half and pick a spot between any 2 posts. I just like to sort of start where I left off, and then insert the hook front to back through the gap between 2 posts. Pick up the loop, pull it through and chain 1, and then back loop, double crochet back loop only into the next stitch. So not this one, this and this is the same, so it's this one, and repeat the sequence. So remove the hook from the loop, insert the hook front to back through the next gap, pick up the loop, pull it up, chain 1, and double crochet back loop only into the next stitch and all the way around. So let's not forget to leave an opening to put all your dye stuffing through. So you don't need to do anything to the tails, just take a bit I'm probably quite happy with this amount of dye stuffing, and let's continue to close the gap, and let's press the dye stuffing down with a finger so it doesn't get entangled. So once you've made sure you have chain 1 in between every gap up the top and double crochet back loop only into each stitch at the bottom, you can now connect the round with the slip stitch and then chain 3, and we're going to make this little cap, ribbed cap at the top. So we're going to crochet into 6 points, around 6 points around this one, chain 3. So this one is the nearest, the chain 3 from the last round. So we'll start here, then front post double crochet around here, around here, around this one, around this one, and this one. And now we're just going to connect to the top of first front post double crochet with a slip stitch. And you're ready to fasten off. So here's your cap, and let's hide the yarn tail into the bauble. And let's tie a ribbon around this cap. Guide your hook through where you want your ribbon to go, and pull up the ribbon, tie a knot, and hide it in the cap. So you have your Nordic mini baubles complete. So I'm going to be uploading more videos like this, so subscribe and see you later.